friends, I am Mahant. In this video I am telling you about integers. An integer is colloquially defined as a number that can be written without a fractional component. For example, 21, 4, negative 2048 are integers, while 9.75, 2.45, etc. are not integers. There are 4 topics involved in integers: addition of integers, subtraction of integers, multiplication of integers, and division of integers. Addition of integers. If we add, first I will tell rules for adding integers. If we add both the positive number, that is positive number added to the positive number, the operation is addition and the result will be in the positive number. For example, positive 10 added to the positive 15, the result is positive 25. If we add both negative numbers, that is negative number added to the negative number, the operation is addition and the result will be in the negative number. For example, negative 10 plus negative 15, the result is negative 25. If we add positive number to the negative number, the operation is subtraction and the result will be in the positive number. For example, negative 10 added to the positive 15, the result is positive 5. If we add negative number to the positive number, the operation is subtraction and the result will be in the negative number. For example, positive 10 added to the negative 15, the result is negative 5. There are 2 examples here. Positive 5 added to the negative 3, the result is negative 2. If we add positive 10 to the negative 10, the result is 0. Subtraction of integers. First I am telling you rules. First rule, if both signs are in positive, the answer will be in the positive number. For example, positive 14 subtracted by negative 6, the result is equals to 14 plus 6, which is equals to 20. As minus multiplied by minus becomes plus, so here 14 between 14 and 6 it came plus. Second rule, if both signs are in negative numbers, the answer will be in the negative number. For example, negative 14 subtracted by positive 6, which is equals to minus 14 minus 6, the result is negative 20. Third rule, if the signs are different, subtract the smaller absolute value from the larger absolute value. The sign will be of the integer that produced the larger absolute value. For example, negative 14 subtracted by negative 6, which is equals to minus 14 plus 6, which is equals to minus 8, that is negative 8. Thank you friends. Please like, comment and subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications when I post my videos. Thank you.